Just recently, I did something on my Rookie Handyman channel and I want to share this method with you. I basically posted a new video and this new video got 5% click-through rate. And if you know anything about YouTube click-through rate, then you know that anything over 3% is amazing for YouTube. And yes, views are 262 at the moment for this video, but in the first 3 days with this click-through rate, I know the views are only gonna climb up. So what I did for this video, and this is basically just one video where I wanted to install this school schedule for my kid, and I wanted to mount it on a concrete wall. Like, I know how to do this process, drill a hole, put a wall plug in, screw in and everything. And I was wondering which plug to use. And like, I ended up the exploring process. I know what to use, but when I wanted to make this video, I was like, okay, how to make this interesting to my audience, how to make this interesting to the people who are wondering the same thing. And then what I did is basically I went to the YouTube homepage. And on YouTube homepage, what I do, I will take like 5 minutes a day and I will just scroll through this homepage to get inspiration for my videos. And I will just find, because I was searching for something specific. Okay, I want to install a wall plug and I want to explain the difference between wall plugs for a concrete wall. And I was looking for something that could be similar to this topic. My first idea was to use something like this. Like, you have different wall plugs and how to use it. Here is wall plug tips. So it didn't really resonate with me. So I just kept exploring. There's also this video right here with the concrete bolts, which is pretty amazing thumbnail. Like, if you see it, if you are wondering what concrete bolt to use for your concrete, like, this video will explain it to you 100%. And from this, I got an idea to present my 3 different wall plugs and to show what is the difference between them. But just I kept scrolling a little bit more just to get more ideas to see if there's anything more interesting for my audience. And then I basically bumped into this video from 5Duck Studio with 6.1 million views. As you can see right here, 6.1 million views and 531 views per hour. And like, this thumbnail right here says it all. Like, why the difference between 3 different screws? Like, why should you use this screw here, and this screw here? And this is exactly what I was explaining in my video. Like, why do you want to use this bolt or this wall plug, this wall plug, or this wall plug, or this wall plug? What is the difference? When do you use one? When do you use second one? When do you use third one? And I use this thumbnail right here for experience because it already is a proven method that works. It has 6.1 million views. And if I deliver in my video, if people stick in my video and watch it to get that information that I'm trying to provide them, YouTube will push my video more and more. And this is how I got this click-through rate of 5%. So I would just recommend to you to go to your YouTube homepage and just to scroll through it to see what resonates with you for that video idea that you want to make. And sometimes, yeah, every day I take like 5 minutes and I scroll through my YouTube homepage, but I also train YouTube to present me with the right video ideas. And how do I do this? Well, if something is not resonating with me and with my channel and the videos that I want to make, for example, this video, I will just go here to these 3 dots and I will click on not interested. And then YouTube knows that this video is not interested for my channel and it won't present these type of videos to me anymore. Like, it has my watch history, it has everything that I'm watching, and it will present those videos to me. And this is how I get more and more video ideas for my new content. If this is something that resonates with you, that you like these ideas, this is something that we talk about more in Creators Forge community. This is a school community of like-minded YouTube creators. We just share our experiences, share our tips around YouTube, share our videos, like, what should I do on this video? Is this thumbnail good? Or is this title good? And so on. It's basically a community of like-minded creators who are just pushing each other, motivating each other to succeed on this YouTube journey, which sometimes can be very, very lonely. So if this is something that looks interesting to you, check out Creators Forge community and join us. I hope you have found some value in this video, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao!